Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So the earphone I'm going to review in this video is ND001 and the brand it comes from is also called ND and apparently it's a new brand. The price of this earphone is 55 bucks, which is usually also considered as a budget price. I have been using this for 3 days now and I will give you my honest review of it. But before I start reviewing it, let's see its unboxing first. So welcome to my first impressions. So I think the unboxing is quite simple and neat and the packaging is also very nice. As for the box, I have a little complaint. If you are going to make a 55 US dollar earphone, you should at least put a picture on the box. I mean print a picture at least, because if we judge this earphone only by looking at the box, it looks very cheap. It does not like attract you. Boxes like these are right for 10 US dollar or $15 earphone. But here comes the interesting part. Now look at this. Look at these cheap earphones. They also have a picture printed on them. This is KZ's $8 earphone and this is 15. And in particularly I would like to talk about Soundpeats Clear and CVG Nami, which are 20 and 30 US dollar earphone set but have a proper presentation on the box. You see, that attracts you more. By this, if they print a picture on their box, they'll get more attention. I don't know why the ND brand have made such below average box. This is very strange and low marketing, I think. Now when you open the box, you get a good presentation, no doubt about it. A small pouch is also provided, which is very useful for those who have very few earphones, because I have a lot of earphone cases. It's not a big deal for me, but for those who only have one or two earphones, the carrying pouch matters. And you get total of 10 ear tips. They are average looking ear tips and they are just fine. And one paperwork is also being provided, so you can check it out. Now if I talk about the design and look of these earphones, the design or faceplate is nothing special. You can also see it. It's also average. The shell is a common one used in most of the earphones. I mean the shape of the earphone. What I like most is its transparent shell. You guys must know this, that I absolutely love transparent earphones. And all of my top 3 most favorite earphones are also transparent, so you can guess from that. But here I have only one wish, that if they had not put this faceplate here, they should have kept it fully transparent. It would have looked even more beautiful. That's just my perspective. You see, this faceplate is nothing. It's very average. And the cables, they are also very ordinary. You can also see it. They are just fine, I think, for this price range. So these are just my initial impressions of this earphone, and I will come back with a proper review. Welcome to my review section. Now let's talk about its sound quality, which is the most important chapter as well. So first of all, these are very warm sounding in-ear monitors, and I think Before this, I only tried a couple of earphones that had a warm sound, and this will probably be the third one. So it depends on people's choice whether you like warm sounding earphones or not. And for me personally, since I haven't tried much warm sounding earphones, I would say it's just fine for me. And overall sound quality is detailed, that's very good. It is not much detailed, but you can feel that work has been done on it. The bass it produces is a hard one, and similarly the treble is also a hard one, and the treble here is slightly above balance. I mean the 5 number is a balanced one in 10. Here the treble is at 5.5 or 6. A trashy treble is at 10 or above. So here treble is not much of a problem, it is absolutely fine. The priority or main bass is a hard bass, but its sub bass is soft. So overall it provides smooth and balanced performance in bass, and the performance of the vocals is also fine, not natural, slightly up from natural with artificial touch because of its bass and treble quality. Overall, if I were to give its sound quality a rating, it would be 6.5 out of 10, which is good. And I personally hope that ND will improve even more if they have come this far. If I talk about its fit and comfort, then there is no problem in fit. It is 10 out of 10. The problem is its comfort level. I didn't find it comfortable at all, or maybe it depends on people to people, but still, the similar kind of shell design was for Celeste Vibran Pro as well, but I didn't had any problem wearing it. But for this, I didn't feel comfortable at all, and I don't know why. It was a little pain wearing them. And I want to mention that it doesn't feel pain directly, but after several minutes of using. So you can see the shell. If you think it's fine for you, you can try it. Now coming to my recommendation, I only have to say this, that the sound quality of ND001 earphones is somewhat similar to Canera Celeste Pandamon earphone, and price is also same. But if I share my honest opinion, the Pandamon is good in packaging and in fit and comfort level, but in sound quality the ND001 is a lot better. So that was just a reference so that you should know. I think it's a very good effort from ND, and they will definitely improve better than this. And as far as the price justification is concerned, I think it's fine because you can get it at lower price as well if you search on AliExpress. I will try to provide you the cheapest price link in the description. And that's it. That's my review of ND001. I hope you liked it. And if you have any questions, please ask me in the comments and I will surely reply. And I would like you to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon because many more amazing videos are coming soon. Stay tuned. Be happy, be in peace. Goodbye.